I see a lot of people they just don't want to drink water because they're in meetings all day and they don't want to have to go to the restroom all day. Well, if you do that, you are getting dumber and dumber with each meeting, right? Because they found out that this neuroscientist found out that 3 to 4% decrease in water intake, just 3 to 4% decrease in water intake. You drink 3 to 4% less of water. What's going to happen? It immediately affects your brain's fluid balance, causing a number of issues like fatigue, brain fog, reduced energy, headaches, and mood swings. So not only does it make you dumber, it makes you when people get drunk, they call it, mad drunk, right? So you actually get dumber and mad at the same time just because you didn't drink water, okay? And that's just decreasing 3 to 4%. And some people don't understand what is 3 to 4% mean? How do you measure that? Right? Let's say you measure the amount of fluid you drink. 3 to 4% is pretty much like you drink 8 glasses of water and you exercise. You do moderate exercise, but you still drink 8 glasses of water, right? If you do that, you have decreased your body fluid by 3 to 4%, and you have just make yourself dumber.